Hey everyone, Trish, daviesinternational.com, and checking in from the beautiful Newcastle and New South Wales, Australia. And this video today is all about how to make time go slower. Reason I'm sharing this is because I run a physical business, I run an online business, and time for me is of the essence. However, sometimes it goes so fast that I just can't keep up. When I say it goes so fast, I mean it goes the same amount of time, right? But it's just a perception. It means that you are so into what you're doing that you can't keep track of time. And I have to share with you something quite funny. But before I do, I want you to click on that subscribe button, click on that bell, and for any notification that's going to come through future. It's going to share with you business building tips moving forward every Tuesday and Friday. So back to what I was talking about, how to make time go slower. And the reason I'm sharing this was I was searching for content to deliver on my channel here, and searching about time and how to time manage and how to overcome overwhelm when it comes to tasks that you have to do. And I could not believe it. I stumbled across this phrase or keyword research. 12,000 people per month are searching for how to make time go faster. I had to think about that for a minute then, because I can't believe it. Right? Seriously, how to make time go faster. And I thought, oh my goodness, who would be searching for that? 12,000 people per month. And why are they searching for that? Why would you want time to go faster? And so then I started to sort of do a bit of soul searching and digging a bit deeper. And I thought, well, it has to be because you're in a space that you don't want to be in. You're in a place that you don't want to be in. You're around people that you don't want to be with, or doing some sort of work or job that you don't really enjoy. So couldn't believe it. I thought, wow. Alternatively, those people searching for how to make time go slower, 880 people per month. So it sort of says a lot about what is going on out there and the mindset that's going on out there. People are wanting time to go faster. And I couldn't think of anything worse. I love life, and I mean, trust me, I've had good times and a lot of bad times as well. It's the bad times that you can reflect on, grow from. It's those bad times that actually get you into different situations that actually can make you grow. It's those bad situations that actually give you the tools and the resilience to just keep making big, bold decisions and keep forging forward to make change. But that how to make time go faster, I mean, that makes me a little sad that 12,000 people per month are actually searching for solutions or answers on how to make time go faster. And it's obvious that there is a lot more people that are wanting to be out of either bad situations, bad relationships, bad jobs, bad circumstances, as opposed to those people that are searching for how to make time go slower. And just a few tips for me on how to make time go a bit slower. It's to get out amongst nature, exactly what I'm doing here right now. Just gorgeous if you can see that behind me. All right, and just be present, be in the moment, and look at that, just absolutely beautiful. Just taking time, just taking that time to get present and just to reflect on all the amazing things in life. For those of you that are following my journey, I'm actually moving interstate very soon, and I can feel a bit overwhelmed with that sometimes because there's a lot to do, and especially moving in these circumstances with COVID hitting and with all the restrictions, the border restrictions in place. there's a lot of applications that have to be done, and there's a lot of extra protocols that have to happen. And so at this point in time, I definitely want to make time go slower and just allow me that time and space to breathe, to think, and to be able to get certain things done. Meditation, for those of you that know or are on my channel or on my YouTube channel here, I actually make and create my own meditations, which I absolutely adore and love. I've been meditating for years, and it's one of the most effective things to actually get you out of your headspace and allow time to literally slow down, nearly stop, and just endure and just enjoy, not endure, enjoy those present moments and being present. It retrains your brain to be present and to enjoy those great things around you, like I have right here, right now. So that's it. That's my share today. Again, so I want you to, up here, let me just give you a bit of clear space there. So up here, if you can just click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell, you will receive updates from me. In the comment box below, if you could just type in that comment box, you might have some strategies there on how to make time go slower. I don't know whether I'm interested in any strategies on how to make time go faster, but if you can share that in the comment box below, that'd be awesome. I'm going to share with you some videos next. There'll be 2 videos here, 2 meditation videos to help you slow things down. Check them out.